In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Premiere Pro export freezing or stuck at 100%. If your export hangs forever, or it reaches 100% and never finishes, don't worry. This is a common issue, and there are two reliable ways to get things moving again. First, let's clear the media cache. In Premiere Pro, go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Media Cache. This is where Premiere stores temporary files it creates while you import, preview, and render media. Over time, these files can become bloated or corrupted, and that can cause exports to stall at the very end. In the Media Cache window, click Delete, then choose Remove All Media Cache Files. Confirm the prompt. This action only deletes temporary cache files. It will not touch your original footage or your project. Clearing the cache forces Premiere to rebuild fresh, clean versions of those temporary files the next time you work with your media, which often resolves strange export behavior, including freezes at 100%. Give it a moment to process the deletion if your cache is large. When that's done, your system has a clean slate for the export process, which typically restores normal performance and lets the render finish properly. If you still run into trouble or you want a more stable route, send the export to Adobe Media Encoder. In Premiere, go to File, then Export, then Media, and choose Queue. Instead of rendering directly inside Premiere, this hands the job off to Adobe Media Encoder, which runs the export as a separate process. That separation can make a big difference because it reduces the chances that Premiere's timeline activity or interface will interfere with the render. You'll see your sequence appear in Media Encoder's queue, and the encoder will handle the export independently. Keep both applications open while Media Encoder works. Many editors prefer this method because it spreads the workload and, in practice, is less likely to freeze at the very end of a render. To recap, clearing the media cache removes problematic temporary files that often cause stuck exports, and using Queue offloads the render to Adobe Media Encoder for a smoother, more reliable export. Either approach can get you past that frustrating 100% stall and back to delivering your final video with confidence.